Hi there, happy Wednesday, and today is August 8th already. This month is flying by. I'm shocked at how quick we're moving in this month. Anyways, today is self-care tip number 8. And today is a little bit of a fun one, and that's to get outside, enjoy nature. And whether that's a walk around the block or a walk around, if you're at work, get outside and walk around your building, walk around the parking lot, go to a garden, go find a beach, go find a lake, or go find somewhere where you can sit in silence, even if it's for 5 minutes. Somehow figure out how to be outside in nature. Last month, I went to Mackinac Island, which was one of the first trips I've taken in a very, very long time. Usually I go to Arizona to my parents' house, which is awesome, but it's my parents' house. So yes, it's a vacation, but it wasn't like this. Like going to Mackinac and being away and just sitting by that water. I mean, I literally would sit there for like an hour just staring at the water. There's just something so meditative, so calming, so just so relaxing about being near a beach and listening to the water lap on the beach and just watching the water as it makes the waves like way out there and just seeing how crystal clear and it's just nice to be out there. So this is what I want your tip for today to be, is to find something where you can go be outside. I mean, some people love going to sit in a garden or go sit by beautiful flowers because that's always fun too. Listening to the birds, watching the bees come and take the pollen from the flowers. Just get away from your everyday busy hustle and bustle. That's what the goal of this tip is. You know, you need to figure out how to feed your soul. That's number one. Self-care is about feeding your soul. So get outside. We all need fresh air. We're always stuck inside. And with technology and all this stuff, it's like we're getting all these electromagnetic frequencies too. So getting outside in some fresh air is super, super important. So find somewhere, even if it's sitting in your backyard with a cup of coffee first thing in the morning, find 5 to 10 minutes a day and just get outside and be one with nature. So thank you for tuning in for today's self-care tip of the day. Don't forget to send in your questions to Samantha@skindeepil.com. I would love to answer your skin, self-care, health, and wellness questions, so please let me help you. And also, don't forget to share this video. Send this email to your friends, family, or anybody that you know is suffering with skin problems, with self-care problems, with any kind of problems and needs a pick-me-up. So I would love to help them. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you tomorrow for another tip of the day. Thanks for tuning in.